robotic technology today. Tomorrow, with real robots. Opening hook. My dear friends, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are entering the world of robots that are no longer science fiction. They are real, they are working, and they are surprising the world. Imagine standing in front of a robot that talks like a human. Imagine watching a robot dance, run, or even cook food. This is happening now, not in the future. And within just 1 year, these robots will become more advanced and more common. So, let us begin the story of robotic technology with some amazing real-life examples. The story of robots. Robots were once just an idea in old science stories. But today, robots like Sophia, created by Hanson Robotics, have spoken to world leaders. Robots like Ameca, built by Engineered Arts, are showing human-like facial expressions. Robots like Tesla Optimus, created by Elon Musk's company, are learning how to walk, carry things, and even fold clothes. This is not imagination. This is the reality of robotics in 2025. Part 2. Robots around the world. In Japan, humanoid robots like Pepper are helping old people fight loneliness. In the United States, delivery robots by Starship Technologies are bringing groceries to people's homes. In Dubai, robot police officers are patrolling malls and tourist areas. In China, entire restaurants are run by robots that cook and serve food. In South Korea, robotic teachers are helping children learn English. And in Boston Dynamics USA, robots like Atlas are running, jumping, and flipping like athletes. Meanwhile, their robot dog Spot is helping firefighters and police forces. Around the world, robots are slowly stepping into every industry. What will change in the next one? Year. Now, let's see the future just 1 year ahead. In the next 12 months, robots will change in 3 powerful ways. First, personal robots. Robots like Tesla Optimus will enter homes as helpers, cleaning, cooking, and carrying things. Robots like Roomba vacuums will become smarter and cheaper. Second, service robots. Hotels will use robots like Bellabot to deliver food to your room. Airports will have robots guiding passengers. Hospitals will use robots like Da Vinci Surgical System to perform complex surgeries. Third, AI-powered humanoids. Robots like Sophia and Ameca will improve conversation skills. They will recognize emotions, smile, and even crack jokes. AI will give robots the ability to think and learn faster than before. So, in just 1 year, robots will move from being assistants to being companions. Human life with robots. Picture your daily routine. You wake up and Optimus brings you breakfast. You go to office and your company uses robots like now for customer service. You visit a hospital and robotic arms assist doctors in operations. You order food and a robot like Bellabot delivers it to your table. You walk on the street and you see Spot the robot dog guiding blind people. This is how robots will become part of daily life. Robotics in different sectors. Healthcare. Robots like Da Vinci. Surgical system are already doing heart surgeries. Robots like Paro, the seal robot, are helping patients with stress therapy. Education. Robots like Now and RoboV are teaching children languages and science. Business. Amazon uses Kiva robots in warehouses to move goods faster than humans. Military and security. Boston Dynamics Spot helps in dangerous missions. Drone robots monitor borders and fight wildfires. Agriculture. Robots like Agrobot are harvesting strawberries. Tractors powered by AI are planting seeds without human drivers. Transportation. Self-driving cars by Waymo and Tesla are changing how we travel. Home. Personal robots like Optimus and Roomba will clean, cook, and entertain. Robots are touching every corner of human life. Challenges of robots. But friends, we must also look at the challenges. Robots may take away jobs in factories, shops, and offices. They may make people too dependent on machines. There are risks of hacking and misuse. There are ethical questions. Should robots have rights if they become too human-like? Governments must create strong rules for safety and control. We must use robots as tools, not as masters. The moral of the story. The moral is simple. Robots are mirrors of human intelligence. If we use them wisely, they will save lives, create comfort, and build a better world. If we misuse them, they may cause problems. 1 year from now, when you see robots like Ameka smiling, Optimus working, or Spot running, remember this story. The future is arriving faster than we think. Closing. So friends, today we traveled into the robotic world. We met Sophia, Ameka, Optimus, Atlas, Spot, Pepper, Now, and many more. We saw how robots are used today. We imagined how they will change our life in the next 1 year. And we learned that the power of robots depends on human choice. If you enjoyed this journey, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Together, let us welcome the robotic future with open arms. Thank you.